Hi, I'm Aaron Ram, Application Engineer with Samtec, and I'm here with Steve Fireman, the VP of Engineering of Otava. We're here at the IMS 2021 trade show in Atlanta, Georgia. We're presenting several live demonstrations. One of them is the Otava OTBF 103 Beamformer IC Evaluation Kit. And now we're going to have Steve tell us a little more about the kit and demo.
Here we have our OTBF 103 Wideband Beamformer IC Evaluation Kit. The wide bandwidth of the IC encompasses multiple 5G FR2 millimeter wave bands and also has applications in the defense, SATCOM, and instrumentation market spaces. The Otava Beamformer IC covers 24 to 40 gigahertz. The flexible design of the beamformer allows its performance to adapt to required specifications for these intended applications. The beamformer consists of 8 transmit and 8 receive channels, provides independent gain and phase controls in each path, and has built-in memory for fast switching of the beam weights. All RF, analog, and digital ports of the device are broken out on the evaluation board for test and measurement. The evaluation kit features an out-of-the-box ready solution for engineers to begin exercising all functions of the beamformer IC using a custom-designed software GUI and included microZ digital control hardware. So here we have measured gain performance of a transmit channel on the Otava beamformer IC. As we can see here on the Rohde Schwarz ZNA43 vector network analyzer, the beamforming chip is demonstrating a wideband response of gain from 24 to 40 gigahertz.
Samtec designs and manufactures precision RF connectors from microwave to millimeter wave frequencies, including 18 to 110 gigahertz. Samtec backs that up with industry-leading tech support, including launch optimization, simulation, and testing. Otava chose Samtec 2.4 millimeter compression mount connectors for the OTBF 103. Samtec's RF engineers worked with Otava's RF engineers to optimize the IC to PCB transition, as well as the connector to PCB transitions. Samtec's collaboration with Otava demonstrates the advantages of vertical integration, enabling full system support and silicon-to-silicon development. For more information about Samtec Precision RF products, go to samtec.com/precisionrf. For more information on the beamforming kit, go to avnet.me/OtavaBFIC-kit.